Hello, good morning, ma'am. May I introduce myself? My name is Tuzawin. I am 24 years old. My date of birth is 17 September 2001. My weight is 42 kg. My height is 148 cm. I am Bautic. I am single. I finished high school 9th standard bar. I came from Ayawadi, Division, Zongmyo, Township. I have four family members. They are father, mother, my brother and me. I am number two. I had 2 year experience as helper in Myanmar 2023 to 2025. I can do homework, cooking, cleaning, washing, ironing. I can cook Myanmar food and simple Chinese food. I can speak simple English, simple Chinese. I want to work in Singapore because I want to take care of my family and my future life. Thank you, ma'am.